Okay, today I'm going to show you how to install Anaconda for a Python class. First, what I do is if you just go to my class, or my Python, it will come up. Then under class 1, I have the link for you. You can click here, right, and go to it. If that doesn't work, you can also just search Anaconda, which is the Python we use. Anaconda is going to come up, right, either or. Right, so do Anaconda, then you can click free download. Right, so you're going to go to here. And then what you got to do is, if you're going to do get started or returning, I'm a returning user. So I'll click returning user. I'm already signed in, and I will just download for the Mac. It knows which one I have. When you click, check if your Apple still, what type of Apple chip you have. If you go to your About This Mac, it says, look, I am Intel, so I download Intel. So then once you download it, you're going to download it and install it. So it's going to go to your downloads, right? Or you'll be able to just double click on it, right? And it will install, right? I've already installed mine, so I'm going to hit cancel. And once you have it installed, you might have a shortcut. I have trouble with my shortcuts. So if you go, what I find works if you're I'll show you how to do hotcourse. If you're on your desktop and you go to applications, right, it's in here. Then you get this Anaconda Navigator, right? So here, Anaconda Navigator, double click and open it. This is going to take a second to open. Okay, now that it's open, and now what it is, you have these different choice of programs that you're going to launch from here. This is where it gets really weird. And I'll show you how you do it. And sometimes some things are going to work and some things are not going to work. And I'm going to help you get through them. So we're going to either use JupyterLab or Jupyter Notebook. They both work equally well. So let's try to launch JupyterLab. So we're going to click this. Look, and I get an error. So this gives me an error. It does not like it. Some of you will work, some of you will get an error. Hit OK. If you get an error, what you have to do is you click on these little things. You want to install a specific version. We just want to go back to 3.6.7. And it's going to install it. Okay, now you can name it. You name your... Okay. It wants to... It's going to create a name of the environment. Okay, now if you look, see now up here, it gave us the name of this environment. So this is when you're always going to start from. And I'm going to hit launch. And see, it kicks us over to your default browser. Now, we are not online. We are just running this program in our browser on our computer. It's a little bit like Google Sheets or Google Docs, but you don't need to be online. And I did JupyterLab, and I like this one because it lists where you're working. And then when you go to program, all you do is you click this for a notebook, right? And up comes this new notebook. And what you can do, it gives you these code cells. This will be, everyone always does this for their first program. You do some sort of print hello, and then to run, you hit shift. I'm hitting shift and enter. That's the same as hitting this little play key here, shift enter, and it runs it. Then also what you can do, if you change this to markdown, you can now type a note, and in this note, you can actually use HTML to make it look good. So I typed a note, I hit shift enter. So you better add notes, add programming, and we're going to do this, and then we'll be able to press save. So good luck, and as of now, you should be ready for class.